Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set allow incoming calls when smart driving is on in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. You'll have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, you can see the smart driving. Okay, click smart driving. And okay guys, here in smart driving, okay, you can see the do not disturb driving. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, here in do not disturb driving, okay, in incoming calls, okay, you can see the allow incoming calls from the following numbers. Okay, you'll have to do is click this to set the allow incoming calls when smart driving is on. And okay guys, there are option here, and okay, you can set by decline all, or you can set by from contact only, or you can set from favorite contact only. So okay guys, I decide to set from contact only. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.